Hello, and this is the 4-minute morning for today, Thursday, 29th day of March, 2018. It is also crypto day. My name is Derek. Like always, everything within your own risk, own reward. Every day the crypto market moves, and while it's moving for sure as it came up to this 18 average of highs and the area of the previous support in a couple of occasions, and it has resisted down below the 18 average of lows. Was an area of resistance through the period before this down red day, as it is now approaching very close to the 7,200 level. We'll see if that does become an area of support or even weak support. Weak support is if it comes down to it and then resists somewhere around 8,000, 8,100, then breaking below, where the next test is then around the 6,000 handle. And on the 60-minute time frame, the Fibonacci level at 79.61, which chopped above and below since it got down to it on the 26th at 1 p.m. Eastern time, chopping above, then below it, back above, so on and so forth. But as it broke below it yesterday morning at 10 a.m., it found resistance there throughout the night. And as the 18 average support fell, but mainly as these key levels of support at 77.64, but biggest at around 77.10 comes through, it had a decent sized red move to get there, and it followed it through with a little bit more extra now towards the downside. So it comes down again to this previous key support mark, which is range between 73.50 down to about 72.50. When we look at coinmarketcap.com, we're mainly going to be seeing a lot of red numbers as the entire crypto market is down. What I want to do is view these numbers against that of Bitcoin, and the red numbers are definitely the primary one over the green, which means the alternate coins are losing worse than Bitcoin. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance on the site. And one of the first things I want to do is eliminate all of this extra data in here. So I'll do so by clicking on all the other coins. And within this chart, when we look at how the movements have came in, chopping up and down in a sort of downtrend, making lower highs. It was making lower lows until here, then a whole bunch of matching lows at about the 78% mark. But March of 2017, this fell really hard down to June of 2017. And during that time, Bitcoin was on a tremendous run to the upside. But the altcoins, of course, did very, very well. And we can see they just did better. Then from June of 2017 up till about November, Bitcoin got its dominance back. Price action in Bitcoin was going up, but the alternate coins were barely going up, going sideways for the most part, which is why the altcoins were going way down in value versus Bitcoin at that point. Then a big dip down again from the early parts of December into the middle and late parts of January. And that would represent the original run to 20,000 and then the comeback to where it came from at 11,000. And therefore, during this run higher, Bitcoin has been falling, but the altcoins have been falling harder during that time frame. But when it comes down to it, there won't be too many people talking about how things were 8 months ago, 16 months ago, or even that of 4 months ago. Nor in about 4 or 8 months from now will people be talking about how it was today, as far as how market conditions will be then. They're going to change, but right now, of course, Bitcoin's going down, and as is all the other coins. Thank you for tuning in, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.